Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosa and I'm so glad you're here. Today I am doing a decorate with me in my family room. I'm decorating the Christmas tree. I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Heidi over at Happily Thriving Heidi. She challenged us to decorate our Christmas trees and I'm really excited. This is our first Christmas in this house and I'm doing two trees for the first time ever. I'm doing one in the dining room and one here in the family room. This one's gonna be in a red, white, and silver theme and I'm really excited to get started. I'm gonna leave a link to Heidi's channel in the description box below so you guys can check her out. And there's also gonna be a link to the challenge playlist where you can see other YouTube friends decorating their Christmas trees and get tons of ideas. I cannot wait to see what everyone comes up with. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do when I decorate my Christmas tree is add more lights. This tree comes pre-lit. The lights on the tree are constant so they don't twinkle, and these can go with different patterns. I try to push the lights into the middle of the tree as much as possible so it looks like it's twinkling from within. Next, I'm going to be adding some frosted pigs. And then I'm going to use my larger ornaments to kind of fill up the tree a little bit. I'm going to push them deep into the tree wherever I see an empty spot. Next is the fun part for me, adding the ribbon to the tree. When I add my ribbon, my goal is to make it look as random as possible. So no two loops will look exactly the same. I may do a large loop followed by a triple loop. I may do two looser loops or a large loop and kind of pinch it in the middle to add some texture. I also like twisting the ribbon, also making sure I'm not going straight up and down the tree. I'm not in the perfect zigzag either. I just kind of go side to side and let the ribbon kind of flow. Again, I just want it to look as random and natural as possible. I learned this technique from a designer. I'm going to link the video that kind of inspired my way of doing ribbon in the description box for you guys. The way he does ribbon is different from anything I'd ever seen before, and ever since I saw his video, I've been trying to kind of replicate his technique because it's really, really beautiful. The next thing I like to do is to add my ornaments, and I usually start from biggest and work my way down to the smallest ornament. I'm also going to be adding my spinner ornaments. Rebecca Robertson put me onto these little gadgets. They're kind of motors that rotate on the tree. You just hook them up to a light socket, and I think they just add such a magical touch to the tree. I only have two of these little stars, and they're going to be the ones that I'm going to use on my spinners. I have these pom-poms that I actually was going to use for a DIY. They're meant to be used on like throws and hats, but I thought they would be perfect to use as ornaments. And the last thing I'm going to do is add some picks. I have these cranberry picks that I'm going to be adding throughout the tree.